A very warm welcome to everyone out there. Today, I, Arushi Sadhna,
and I, Yashika Singh from grade 10th C,
are here to solve a very crucial problem that the world is facing these days. In these unprecedented times of COVID-19, we are all very worried about mental health problems that the youth is facing. Problems such as depression, self-awareness, and will to live are becoming very common. This is a crucial topic in today's time.
We all have faced the issue of societal pressure. People who are faced by mental health problems are often afraid of the society and as a result do not tell their problems to anyone or even consult a counselor or a doctor. But this issue has turned out to be a huge problem. We have to make sure that the youth remains safe and can strongly face the challenges given by life. We all know that the problem always has a solution. So, what should be done to solve this problem?
Creating an AI model which enables the users to talk to it and share their problems. The app in return should give solutions and even do something to make the user happy, such as cracking jokes or suggesting some mindfulness activities. Moreover, the app should never ask for any registration and the identity of the user should be kept anonymous.
For creating an AI model, we all know that we start with the problem scoping stage. That is the 4 W's: who, what, where and why. First is who. That is, who are the stakeholders? So the stakeholders are the people depressed and their family. Second is what. That is, what is the problem? The problem is that the people who are depressed have no one whom they can talk to and share their feelings, and then this leads to sadness and sometimes can even lead to a greater risk of suicides.
Third is where, that means the context of the problem. That is, the person who is depressed doesn't want to go to the doctor because of external societal pressure and thoughts, so he or she wants someone whom they can talk and who keeps the identity anonymous and keep a good mental health. Fourth is why, that is, how will user be an advantage by using this? The user will surely get solutions for his or her problems and get to know some exciting activities to uplift their mood. This can help our country to make the youth more productive.
But to make this model successful, we need a lot of data, for which we move to data acquisition stage, where we will get data from surveys, campaigns, observations and some individual experiences.
Data features required would be number of people depressed, what is causing depression, what kind of talks these people prefer, how can we help them, and finally, what makes them happy.
Now, we have collected a lot of data, so the next stage is data exploration, where we will take out the most important data, that is the number of depressed people and how can we make them happy.
For symmetrically exploring and making the data that it can be read easily, we will put it in a graphical representation such as bar graph, pie chart, etc.
Next is the data modeling stage, where we will decide the model of our AI project. So the model would be learning based data as it is more efficient and can also predict even after certain changes, and moreover it can learn on its own.
It will have to be supervised or labeled learning and regression model. It will be a regression model because the data is continuous. Now we should go through the points and check them critically for a better functioning of the AI model, which is known as evaluation.
After this stage, the project is ready to be used and launched in the market, and every person suffering can benefit from this. So this was our AI project cycle for our AI model. Thank you for your time and attention.